Former Cabinet Minister Raphael Tuju wants the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission to investigate 5 Supreme Court judges for alleged bias in a case involving a property dispute.
Tuju says Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu and Justices Mohammed Ibrahim, Smokin Wanjala, Njoki, Ndung'u and Ouko had a predetermined outcome when they recused themselves and reinstated the decision of the Court of Appeal that paved the way for auctioning of his hotel for failing to settle 4.5 billion shillings debt he owes the East African Development Bank.
However, the EACC Chief Executive Officer Abdi Mohamud says that the Commission is yet to receive Tuju's petition.
After hitting a snag at the Judicial Service Commission in his petition to investigate alleged judicial misconduct by 5 judges of the Supreme Court over a property dispute case, Raphael Tuju has turned to the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission to seek remedy. After presenting a dossier to the EACC Chairman Bishop David Oginde, the former Cabinet Secretary slammed Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu and Judges Mohammed Ibrahim, Smokin Wanjala, Njoki, Ndung'u and Ouko for recusing themselves but going ahead to make a ruling.
If you recuse yourself, you don't give a back pass. You put your pen down and you say, we recuse ourselves, take this thing to the Chief Justice so that the Chief Justice can decide on a way forward. By the time they're recusing themselves, the evidence and the affidavit which was before them had been recanted by bank officials. So there was no case.
However, EACC Chief Executive Officer Abdi Mohamud, while speaking in a separate event, said he was not aware of Tuju's dossier, but promised it would be attended to if presented.
It is something that we are not aware of, but all that we want to confirm is every Kenyan, of course, can walk into the Integrity Center to deliver any complaint that they may have. It will be analyzed and, of course, dealt with.
Tuju castigating the 5 judges for obtaining a court order that stopped the Judicial Service Commission from hearing the petition.
They have gone to court to stop the Judicial Commission from getting their response. The question I'm asking is that why are they afraid to respond?
The former Cabinet Secretary also wrote a letter to Chief Justice Martha Koome last Friday over the matter. The 5-judge bench reinstated the ruling of the Court of Appeal that paved the way for auctioning of Tuju's property located in Karen in a 4.5 billion shillings debt dispute with the East African Development Bank.
One of the things I complained about, because I put that in the letter and I can repeat it here, is that they said, we see your point, Mr. Tuju. We think you have a point. We are going to continue with this looking at your case. But in the meantime, you can give your properties to the bank, and if the bank sells them, the bank is so rich they can always compensate you.
He, however, denied claims he was part of a scheme seeking to oust the Apex Court. Give us Minor Prime Edition.